Just continuing to read from the book.
Lovebirds.
Okay.
How many
How?
birds you do?
Read it properly. One at a time.
How do you
No.
know they are love
Birds. Like that. Okay, next.
They're making nests.
Okay, you're so fast. Next.
Too many
Birds.
Two birds are making a nest on my head.
Head. Don't forget that. Head. Like that.
And then
There's a question mark. So it should
again?
go head. Like
how
that.
there's a question mark again?
Because he's asking pig. So there's a question mark when you're trying to write a sentence, and the one who is
Maybe I want to use
speaking is asking a question. You put a question mark at the end.
Maybe I want to use a pen for the
Read again. Come on, read so that you will not run out of time.
Where?
Why
out
would
two birds make a nest on my
head?
Because when they put it on my head when there's birds in our house.
There's a bird in our house. Okay, next.
They don't have no house.
Oh, maybe they're playing outside.
Oh, okay. They're not playing. They don't have no toys.
Oh, next.
They're not.
Oh, read the word.
I am first
Afraid
to ask.
Good. Next page.
Do I have
an
egg
egg?
on my head?
No, this question mark. How do you say it?
Head?
Good.
Where's the question mark again?
Question mark.
1, 2.
And
3.
tree.
Do
You
have 3 eggs on
your
your head?
oh 3 eggs. Next.
I do not
Want
the
3
3 eggs on my head.
Next
And
page.
there's no question mark.
Question mark. That's an apostrophe.
What's a apostrophe?
It means it's emphasized, or he's shouting.
What's exercise?
He's making a
Raja?
exclamation mark.
What's a mark?
Maybe he's shouting, I do not want 3 eggs on my head. On my head, he said.
It's a bookmark.
He's shouting.
Oh, Mom.
Oh, next. Next page. Then
I have good news.
good news, said the pig.
Pig.
And what's the pig's good news?
The eggs are good.
Gone. Ask elephant.
As the
Elephant.
eggs are hatching.
Oh, the eggs
Eggs
are
are
hatching, said pig.
Pig.
And what did the elephant said?
Hatching.
Hatching?
Pig.
It should. There's a question mark at the end. So hatching?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
Question mark.
This the circle one.
Yeah, it's a period. Next.
What's
That's a
dot?
dot.
What's a dot? A dot is a bed.
Oh, next.
Okay. The eggs
On
on my
my head
head are hatching.
No, there's a question mark.
Right.
Are hatching?
That and that.
Mm-hmm.
How they're the same?
They're the same. Because he's asking a question.
Yeah, I can.
And next. Read that.
Chip, chip, chip.
Chip, chip, chip. Said the birds.
They have hatched.
Ooh, wonderful.
Where they get the snakes?
That's a snake. That's a worm, anak. That's not a snake.
Where they get the worm?
Maybe he got it from a nearby tree. Next.
Where they eating worms?
That's what birds eat. They eat worms.
But they don't eat seeds.
They eat seeds too.
Oh. Where's
They are
Ty?
omnivorous.
Where's
Okay.
Ty's mommy?
They eat insects too. Next.
Where's Ty's mommy say shoe? Where they shoe?
Yes, because they're eating their seeds. Next.
Oh. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
Oh, and what did pig say?
Say, and there
And 2
birds.
And
what's that?
come on.
Where's Piggy holding?
I don't know.
Maybe it's over.
A handkerchief or something. Yes, it's a handkerchief.
Oh.
And
A nest.
what did Gerald said? Gerald is the elephant. Read.
Gerald is an animal.
It's an animal, yes. Come on, read it.
Come
on, so that we'll be finished.
I do not want. I'm not going
3.
I'm not going to sleep in the room.
I do not want.
2.
What's this?
3
3
baby chicks. 2
birds.
And my nest
On
my head.
Okay, and what did pig say?
Where you go
Want.
to them?
Where do you want them?
Want them.
You should read it. And what did elephant said?
Said somewhere else.
Somewhere else.
Maybe on a tree.
Oh, but let's see. Where did they go? What did the pig say?
Say, ask them.
Why?
Why? Ask them.
Not. Come on, read properly.
Ask them. Ask
2.
them. Just
2. Here. 2.
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Somewhere else?
Or
What? And what? Ask. Come on.
ask them.
Ask them? Ask them.
Were they the same? And
But there are 2 different statements. The one is asking. He was emphasizing. So there's a question mark and there's an exclamation point. Okay.
Ask them.
Ask them.
Ask them.
And Piggy said, ask them. No, you're making it baliktad. Next page.
Gerald blue and Piggy pink.
Gerald is gray. That's not blue. Okay, next.
What's gray? What's gray?
It's mixed between black and white.
Show me gray.
This one is gray.
Show me it.
Next.
And
Finish it first and I'll show it to you.
Ask a will.
Okay.
Okay. Will
I
try?
will
Try asking them.
asking. There's no them in the word in the sentence. Okay.
Excuse me, birds. Will you go?
Please
Go somewhere else.
good. Remember the else? What did the bird say?
Say No.
No
No problem.
problem.
It's work.
It worked. What did the bird say?
Bye.
Bye.
The yellow bird and the green and the yellow bird and the green bird
Carried their nest.
carried that, so that and that are happy.
Oh, now come on, read this then.
Now there are no more birds.
No, there's no word more there. Now there are no
birds
on
my pet
head, said Gerald.
Gerald. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you,
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Woohoo!
That
And what did Piggy say?
you
Are
welcome.
Oh, but the birds went to
Piggy's head.
Piggy's head and not on a tree. The end. Sabi mo.
The end.
Very good.